Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can share documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your spreadsheet, and then guys, what you want to do is navigate to this share button in the top right. Click into it, and then guys, start by, for example, using one of these options. You may invite your contacts to view your document by entering the recipient's email address here. You can also enter several of these email addresses by dividing them or separating them with a comma. And once it's done, click into Done to send the invitation to the given user. Once the users have accepted the invitation, they will be given access to the given document, and you will see them listed here under people with access with the associated role here to the right. Option number 2 would be to use an invitational link. You can use that by clicking into that button here, copy that link to your clipboard, and send it to the people or contacts you would like to invite. However, guys, there are two different accessibility statuses for documents. For example, you can choose between restricted and anyone with the link. If you choose restricted, only people with access you have invited will be given the opportunity to open that link. If you switch to anyone with the link, basically anyone on the internet with the link will be given the opportunity to perform these actions, like for example, view, comment, or edit, depending which permissions you grant. So before you send the invitation or create that link and send it to or share it online, make sure that you set the accessibility status for the link here, and then guys, click into Done to confirm the document sharing, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.